An authentic R-code coupe that's benefited from a concours restoration, this Ford is set to provide years of memories and miles of enjoyment. And if hitting the highway in a premium version of one of Detroit's finest muscle cars sound like your idea of good vibes and great times, it's a great choice for your next classic. Recently benefiting from a rotisserie restoration, this Mach 1 is an object of admiration and reverie. The correct Raven Black 2-stage is as striking as ever. That pigment coat's precise fit and finish that'll put most factory original cars to shame. And it all adds up to one choice Dearborn superstar that's stylish, sorted, and ready to roll. Open the doors and you'll find an ornate Mach 1 cockpit that mixes the best elements of Ford black vinyl with a series of contrasting accents. High back bucket seats are dashed with Indian fire red stripes. A dual-cowl dash hangs bright wood applique around a full assortment of rebuilt gauges and an original Philco radio. A stylish wood-trimmed console toggles a long Hurst shifter on clean carpet and bright floor mats, and the driver spins a trick rim-blow steering wheel. Lift the scooped hood and you'll find 428 cubic inches of correct FE big block that's been completely rebuilt from its Holley carburetor down to its Ford blue oil pan. Behind that motor, a date-correct Toploader 4-speed twist torque to a durable Ford 9-inch. If you're looking for a highly desirable classic that'll provide years of weekend fun and rack up more than its fair share of fans in the process, this Mustang is your kind of car. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.